Welcome. KSM Pharmatech YouTube channel is likely a platform dedicated to sharing knowledge and insights about the pharmaceutical and biotechnology industry.
Hello friends, welcome back to KSM Pharmatech. We will discuss important questions and answers on DT apparatus in pharma. What is disintegration? The process by which a solid dosage form, example, tablet capsules, break down into smaller fragments when exposed to a liquid medium. It's a first step towards the drug release and absorption. What is the purpose of a disintegration test? To ensure that tablets or capsules break down into smaller particles within a prescribed time limit, which is essential for subsequent dissolution and absorption of the active pharmaceutical ingredient in the body. It's a key quality control parameter. Which Pharmacopoeial chapter deals with the disintegration test? That is, first, our Indian Pharmacopoeia, chapter number 2.5.1. Chapter for disintegration test of tablets and capsules. General chapter 701. It deals in USP. European Pharmacopoeia, chapter number is 2.9.1. Japanese Pharmacopoeia, chapter number 6.09. What are the main components of the disintegration apparatus? The apparatus typically consists basket track assembly, holds the dosage units in a glass tubes with a wire mesh. Glass tubes, usually 6 for apparatus A and 3 for apparatus B. It's a open-ended tubes. Wire mesh screens fitted at the bottom of the tubes, typically 2.0 mm openings. Water bath. It's maintained consistent temperature, usually 37 degree plus or minus 2 degree centigrade, to stimulate the body temperature. Motorized lift mechanism moves the basket up and down at the constant frequency. Auxiliary disc, optional, used to prevent dosage forms from floating. 1 liter beaker or suitable vessel contains immersion fluids. Friends, here, what is the immersion fluid? How many types of the immersion fluids are there? Please look into this. Usually purified water is the common immersion fluid, and simulated gastric fluid and simulated intestinal fluids. These are the immersion fluids in details. Purified water most commonly used for immediate release products soluble in water. Simulated gastric fluid without enzyme for products expected to disintegrate in the stomach, pH 1.2. Simulated intestinal fluid without enzyme for products expected to disintegrate in the intestine, that is pH 6.8. And another commonly used acidic medium, that is 0.1 normal HCl. Standards operating conditions for the disintegration test. Generally, temperature of the medium 37 plus or minus 2 degrees centigrade, simulating body temperature. Stroke frequency 29 to 32 cycles per minute. Stroke length 55 mm plus or minus 2 mm. Immersion fluid as per dosage form and as per monograph. Why are auxiliary discs used in the disintegration test? Auxiliary discs are used to prevent lighter or coated dosage forms from floating to the top of the immersion medium, ensuring they remain submerged and subjected to the consistent up and down motion of the basket. How many dosage units are used for disintegration test? Typically 6 dosage units, tablet or capsules, are tested in the initial stage, that we'll call as L1. What are the acceptance criteria for disintegration test? L1 stage. All 6 units must disintegrate within the specified time. L2 stage. In L2 stage, if L1 fails, 1 or 2 units failed in L1, repeat the test with 12 additional units, not less than 16 of the total 18 units. Initially 6 plus additional 12 must disintegrate. What are the typical disintegration times for different dosage forms? That is, uncoated tablets, not more than 15 minutes. Film coated tablets, not more than 30 minutes. Sugar coated tablets, not more than 60 minutes. Hard gelatin capsules, not more than 30 minutes. Effervescent tablets, not more than 5 minutes in water. Dispersion tablets, not more than 3 minutes. Factors can affect the disintegration time of a tablet. Tablet hardness, compression force. Higher hardness can prolong disintegration time. Amount and type of disintegrated. Binder concentration. High binder concentration can retard in disintegration. Manufacturing process. Granulation method, mixing time. Particle size of excipients and API. Storage condition. Humidity can affect tablet stability and disintegration. For which dosage forms disintegration test not applicable. Chewable tablets. These are designed to chewed, not disintegrated in the liquid medium. Sustained release, extended release tablets. These are designed for controlled release over a longer period, not rapid disintegration. Parental solutions and suspension. These are liquid dosage forms. What is the difference between disintegration and dissolution? Disintegration measures quickly a dosage forms breaks apart into smaller fragments. Physical breakdown. Dissolution measures the rate of extent to which the active pharmaceutical ingredient dissolves from dosage form into the surrounding medium. It's a chemical process that often follows disintegration. Last not but least, it's important. How the disintegration apparatus calibrated. Calibration typically involves checking of stroke frequency, that is 29 to 32 cycles per minute, stroke length, that is 53 to 57 mm, temperature accuracy, that is 37 degrees centigrade plus or minus 1 degree centigrade in water bath and immersion medium. Visual inspection and components like wire mesh integrity. Friends, if you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up, share it with your colleagues and subscribe to the KSM Pharma Tech channel for more insights into pharmaceutical technology, equipment and best practice. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.